my gosh, guys, I totally forgot we had an interview today. You know the lifestyle of a trader. Trading at the beach, enjoying a luxury lifestyle. I'm just joking, guys. In today's video, we have a special guest with us, Joel Bros, all the way from the Netherlands and from Belgium. Without further ado, please introduce yourself, sir.
Hey Dennis, thank you for having me. I'm Joel, 29 years old, husband and father of two. I am born in the Netherlands, but I live in Belgium.
And as far as your trading strategy goes, when did you sort of feel like your strategy started to reach the next level?
I joined a lot of communities in the past, and most of them are focused on making money out of it by giving information. But just not enough, so you can be independent as a trader. I learned a lot of retail strategies. I've seen all indicators and used them all. Then discovered a smart money concept, which gave me a little more stability into the trading on the markets. And that's the moment I started to understand market structure and really understand trending and ranging markets and why the price is moving certain ways. The part I use from SMC is very basic, but just enough to make consistent profits, and that's what matters, right?
Exactly. And how long have you actually been trading for? Or when did you start trading?
I started losing money with crypto in 2017 because the hype around crypto got me into it. Then discovered prop firms at the end of 2019 and became a full-time trader at the start of 2022. That's really a short version of my journey.
Yeah, I mean, I know the crypto trend all too well, man. I mean, all the scams, all the Bitcoin scams and the Bitcoin. I'll flip your Bitcoin to $1 million. So, I can say that I started out in that same era, the 2020 COVID year. So I feel like we're on the same path here.
Made a lot of money and lost a lot of money, but also learned a lot. And now we're here.
And how did you actually find out about prop firm?
Back in the days when I started in crypto, I was a member of a group and made some friends. And that one friend that started forex trading, and I was a little bit skeptic about it because with crypto there was a crazy pumps to get and to gain a lot of money in short time. But then he came up with the prop firms and the amount of capitals you can manage with it, and that's the moment I learned about risk management, and that teach me that what risk to reward was. So you can make a lot of money with a small amount of risk. And that's what's interesting with a big capital, because making money with your own capital is not that big as rewarding. Yeah. So that's the moment I started doing research on the forex market and blew several challenges. And yeah.
So how many challenges have you failed in your journey? How would you say?
I won't know. It's a lot. I think 25 challenges before even working on a strategy.
Yeah, I mean, that's a different approach, I guess. You just keep hitting until you keep striking until you're gonna hit something. All in. You just go all in. But now
like on crypto, all in, and then you lose a lot of money, and then you start thinking, what am I doing?
Oh yeah. I mean, when the losses hit you, then you really start dialing it back. What can I do to improve? How can I look at my strategy? How can I actually find success in this market? So
most people quit at that moment, but I never give up. And that's what made me the way I am right now.
Yeah, because if you look at prop firms, I mean, the fact that you're getting this much capital to work with the funded trader up to 600,000 just from buying accounts and up to 1.2 million in scaling, like when you said risk management, you risk 1%. That's, thousands of dollars that you can possibly make just by sticking to a certain risk management plan.
Yeah, and it's not even your own money. So when you're in drawdown, you're not losing your own money. So that makes the psychology in trading a little bit easier. Only in the beginning, the big amounts of money you see can make you nervous. But after a certain time, it's normal.
Yeah. You feel like after trading for a certain period on these prop firms, you almost feel like you are trading that money like yourself. You almost forget that it is a prop firm, it is an account, but you're trading that money. You get used to these huge numbers, hundreds of thousands, 200s of thousands. Before prop firms, who could honestly expect to trade that much money. You're trading with $100 account, maybe 1,000 if you can crunch up some savings, but 100,000, 200,000. That's when it gets to the next level.
Yeah, it's really a dream come true because it gives so much freedom in everything. You can do whatever you want. Just stick to a good strategy and everything will come to you. The reward is coming. Just be consistent.
Definitely. As far as your psychology goes, what would you say is the most optimal mindset in regards to trading?
In the beginning, it's not easy to handle losses you make on a pro firm account because those losses are big. And it gave me a hard time in the beginning because you want to make up for those losses as fast as you can. And you also know there's no fast way with trading. But I think the learning curve, which all traders that want to succeed in the long term need to go through that. And after a good amount of losses, you will get to a point where some of the traders quit. Some will increase their focus, make up a plan, and start trading like a robot. And I learned that remaining calm under pressure, because it gives a lot of pressure, will give you the reward you want. For me, going to the gym daily is a thing I need because it gives me some extra discipline to stick up with my routine and stick up with my trading plan.
Exactly.
And that's my psychology, because it's all about discipline and consistency and proper education, because there's a lot of garbage on the internet.
Yeah. I mean, you can follow some crazy stuff that's been going around these days. Astrology, trading. Oh, what kind of stars alignment? You're gonna enter a buy on gold? Like, what are you even talking about?
Yeah, it's crazy. Also, I will pass your challenge for you. Just give me money, and that's kind of shit. Yeah, I don't know if I can say that, but it's just a big scam, and people want fast money, so they will take it.
Yeah, I mean, and then they pay for it. They get the funded, and then they lose it anyway because they're not the one who passed it.
They cannot hold it for long term because they suck at trading.
Yeah, or even worse, they pay for it, they get funded, and then they just get banned forever, for eternity. Like, we'll see later. There's a dungeon in the TFT Discord. I send people there every single day. It's the worst when people, they message me as one of like the admins, as one of the moderators. They message me, hey, I'll pass your challenge. I'm like, listen, buddy, you're done for. So yeah, don't do that, guys. Make sure you learn for yourself and you level up your game. It's all about you versus the markets and what you can extract from it. As long as you don't give up, you can find some success, just like Joel.
Absolutely.
Here's a question for you. What do you think sharp declines to a trader's equity say about the trader?
He lost his consistency. He's not sticking to his plan. He is fighting with his psychology in trading, because when you have a good trading plan, you will stay consistent. You will have drawdown, but you will come out of the drawdown, because when you stick to your plan, it's back tested and it gives results you want. But when you do not follow that plan, it will drop your equity down. I think that's what you mean.
Yeah. So, like, for example, a trader's up 5%, right? And then they go and risk 4.9%. Like, for what reason do you need to do that? Like, you're already up. Follow your plan. Keep going. You see their chart go like this, and then their chart goes like this, and then it goes through the ground, through the earth, absolutely getting blown up, and their account is gone.
No refunds, no funded account. Everything lost. Start again.
Yeah, everything
start again,
lost,
losing money the same
try
way.
Again. You just pull the lever. Try again.
I've been there, done that 25 times.
Yeah.
But it's stupid to do that. But I think everyone needs to try it in some time in their journey, because you need to learn from your losses.
Yeah, it's hardest to learn from other people's mistakes. Like, if you just learn from someone else, see someone, hey, like when someone watches this video and you see Joel literally lost 25 accounts and you're just starting out, like, what can you learn from Joel to do something differently so that your trading journey maybe goes differently than his? You might save yourself thousands of dollars just by some of the advice Joel has to share for you today. So
I think it's the arrogance of a trader, because all traders have a little bit of ego. They don't want to learn. They know it better, but they need to learn it the hard way to break their ego, and then they start listening.
Yeah, I mean, the markets The markets have no mercy. Absolutely none.
No way.
No matter what your stop loss is, no matter what it is, you're going to get clapped. You're going to get humbled. And you just have to say, markets, I'm so sorry for my arrogance, for my ego. I'm going to learn. I'm going to be better. And, after that mentality shift, after that total change of mind, you can truly find some success in the market.
Yeah, it's all in the head. It's a mind game.
Yeah, 90% psychology, 10% strategy. That's what I hear a lot of the time.
10% skill, yes.
Yeah. How do you stay patient to avoid getting in too early in trades?
I made a checklist for myself, and which is my trading plan, which I do daily before the London session starts. I check the high time frame trend, and it needs to align to each other, or else I won't even bother entering the market. Because when the daily trend is down, the 4 hour is up, and the 1 hour is also up, and the daily is not aligned, I will not even look. It's a mixed for me, mixed signal. I want to be up, up, up. Then I will go to the low time frame and look for entries in that direction. I won't counter trade the trend. That's not my thing, and it gave me losses in the past, which made me learn that the trend is your friend, and that's what everyone is saying, but it's true.
Yeah. It's 100% true. I mean,
100%.
How many times do you find yourself trying to sell the top? It's like, when is that ever going to work? Anytime you try to do it, it always just goes right up and kills you. And then when you do hit one of those trades, you take a screenshot, you post it all over social media. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I hit the best sniper. Look at this sniper. But then if you look on the chart, it shows all your other losses down below. Loss.
Yeah, you lost like 8 trades, and that one trade you had made up for all those losses, but it made you feel like the king.
Yeah.
That's
a different trading style, I guess. If you have like a 20%, 30% win rate, you hit these 1 to 10, 1 to 15 risk to reward, but not everyone can handle that many losses. I mean, it's tough.
I can't handle that. I need to be, need to have a higher win rate, because all those losses can break you in the long term.
Yeah, mentally, I mean, it's hard to recover from that, honest to God. What is your profit target? What is your profit target for like a week or a month?
I do like bi-weekly targets, and I want to be above 5% every time, because I trade for more prop firms than TFT, but 5%, and then I secure.
Okay, I mean that's a pretty aggressive strategy. I would consider. I mean, considering you have a whole month to make 10%, but you're aiming for 5% per week. So hey,
no, bi-weekly.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that adds up to around 10% a month. Which, if you could do it on the challenge, what says you can't do it on your funded? So
yeah, that's my thought. Yes, exactly. Why not?
Why not? Why not? As long as
it's the same account, only you get paid on funded account.
Only you get paid, guys. It's the same challenge, only you get the money, actually.
Yeah.
So
that's the only thing that's the difference is, because when people get the funded account, they get nervous. Oh shit, it's for real now. And that's when they lose the account, because they think it's real, but it's all is the same.
It's the same exact account, same exact balance. You have the same opportunity. Just stick to what you know and forget about those emotions. Don't let them cloud your judgment. Don't make rash decisions, and just trade. That's all it is, guys.
Just get paid.
Just get paid and just to trade. Let's go. And what's your number one goal overall with trading? Like, what do you value most when it comes to trading?
I like the freedom. I'm a father of 2. I can do everything with my kids what I want to. I have all the time in the world. Only time that I need to be on the charts is when my alerts are going off, or at the start of the London session or New York session. But all the time in between, I can do whatever I want. Freedom. That's all I have. And in the near future, I want to travel the world with my family. And there is nothing better than be a trader.
That is 1,000% true. I mean, the next question I had is, where would you want to trade from in the world if you could trade from anywhere?
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
I take my laptop and I go wherever I want.
Yeah, but like, what's a travel destination that you would want to visit?
Our first destination will be Paris because my daughter wants to go there and she wants to see the Eiffel Tower. But it's not special. But for my daughter, it's special.
Yeah.
And I want to go to America because when I was little, I always wanted to go there. Las Vegas, because I saw it in the movies. It's big and all the lights and it's amazing. I don't know, but I just want to see it. Yeah, that's are my main destinations, and from there I will go wherever I want.
That's the beauty of it, guys. Trade from wherever you want. You're your own boss. You trade if you want to. Even if you can take a month off, 2 months off, as long as you're secure, you can do whatever you want. That's the beauty of trading, guys.
And the beauty of a prop firm, because trading your own capital won't give you that freedom like you have from a prop firm. You have, it's not your capital, so you're not losing your own money. It gives a lot of, I don't know, free of thinking. And how do I explain this? It's relaxing because, you know, when I have drawdown from 4%, I will get it back, but it's not my money, so don't bother.
I mean, that's comforting even for me, man.
Yeah, it's true. I know it's hard for TFT to have a drawdown for 4%, but it's not mine. I will fix it later.
Yeah, exactly.
My strategy will get us out there.
Definitely. And for the final question, what would you tell your former self? Like, if you could go back and talk to yourself when you were first starting out, what advice would you give yourself?
It is most important to have a solid understanding of the markets, I think, and develop a well-defined trading plan. That's the most important, and stick to it and be consistent. And I think risk management, because I did not have it in the beginning, I didn't even know what it was. I only looked at the percentages the crypto was gaining. So I think, okay, $100, 100% nice, it's doubled, you know. But risk management, in my opinion, is a key component of a successful strategy. And as well, staying informed with market news. Well, market news can also define your strategy. That's also a thing I am looking for daily. I will go to Forex Factory and check the high impact news and medium impact news, and will decide if I enter before or after the news, because I don't want to be caught in slippage or something.
Yeah,
I think,
so
that's truly, the main point.
Truly, I mean, as far as your former self, if only we could just have some advice like that when starting out, because the only person we would ever listen to is ourselves, you know? We can't learn from others' mistakes, but if we could tell ourselves, hey, take your time, learn what you need to, don't worry about rushing it, you're going to get there eventually. It's me from the future. I'm already successful. I just want you to get there quicker, you know? So
keep your emotions in check. That's all I have to say.
Keep your emotions in check, guys. Truly, it's been a pleasure and a treat. I mean, you are a king, as we can see here with the crown. You are the king of today, and it's been an honor and a pleasure to meet you, sir. So with that being said, guys, thank you all for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, make sure to leave a like, show your support in the comments, and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever TFT uploads a new video. Thank you all for watching. Peace.